Guys, I cannot get this sucker off. Yes, look, put my wrench on there, grab my hammer, bam, bam, bam. That sucker would not budge. I know a lot of people use a air hammer to bang on the I can't get it off. So what do you do when that happens? Yeah, y'all know my favorite word, right? If you watch this channel, everybody should know my favorite word. That happens to be improvise. That's right, guys. You can't get the damn fan clutch off. Do the next best thing. Bring the fan clutch off with it. I got one more bolt to go. Let me see. Hold tight, baby. Don't. Yeah, look, just bring it all up. It's one freaking unit. All right, that's the last bolt. Like I say, improvise, baby. Look at that. Ta-da! Bring the damn fan clutch out with you. All right, hack. This is a hack. Oh my goodness. Why won't this sucker come off? Now your job is not over. You're not scotch-free, guys, because you still got it. That'd be neat. I got a new water pump. It'd be neat if I had a new fan clutch. But yeah, you don't sell a customer a fan clutch just because you can't get the old one off. All right, you simply figure out a way to get the old one off, because technically there's nothing. You know, y'all know how a fan clutch operate, right? Y'all know the need why a fan clutch is even needed, right? Yeah. All right, look at this, guys. The impeller is still in place. You know what that tells me? Remember what we talked about on water pumps. Water pump can fail in 3 different ways. Number 1, by way of noisy. Bzzz, the bearings. Yes, the bearing. Y'all see that video I uploaded? The bearings, it was a 3.7 just like this. The bearings inside of this can fail. That's one way the alternator could constitute being replaced. Another way is not putting out. This impeller's job, as the engine spins, the serpentine belt grabbing this is turning this. You know what that's doing? Circulating coolant. Hopefully coolant. Hopefully you don't have water in it. You got coolant in. It circulates coolant throughout your coolant system. Okay, that helps your engine maintain its coolant level. All right, coolant temperature level. All right, so we got what we say? We said bearing noise. We said putting out, and then last but not least is leaking. All right, so there's 3 things that could constitute a water pump being replaced: leaking, noisy, and just simply not putting out. Yeah, how many of y'all guys have that problem with your? Okay, no, it's a family channel. JT, stay focused. All right, so this one was leaking, guys. Look, that gasket is flush. Look at that thick. Ooh, Mopar, baby. This is Mopar too. I think this is the original. All right, yeah, and it did its time, guys. Now, some of you guys are so picky, y'all would take that seal out, put a new seal on it, and put it back on the car. No, at that point, the bearings have had almost 200,000 miles worth of wear on it. So just get a new water pump. If you got almost 200,000 miles out of this water pump, chances are you may get that out of this one. All right, you won't even have a truck by the time this water pump fail again. Don't go get no damn Derman water pump, guys. What is wrong with you people? All right, now my job is not over. I don't know why I'm happy. I still got to figure out a way to get this fan clutch off of here. But I don't have to be careful with the water pump, so I can put this in a vise and just, we'll figure something out, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, let's go over a couple of options that my helper had. It's kind of comical, but it's funny. All right, so you had the bright idea to bring this to a vise. Yes, that's a good idea. That part is. However, you can't compare this plastic impeller to this steel hex nut. Okay, so with him setting it up here like this, remember, because as you turn this, the impeller turn, right? So if you lock the impeller down, right, the impeller don't turn no more, so chances are you should be able to get it out, right? Wrong. Yes, guys, that plastic gave out extremely quick. So I heard a pop, and that was it. So his bright ideas wasn't too bright. All right, he's a helper, man. Give me a break, guys. All right, so what's plan B? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Now that we know this is plastic and that was kind of a crazy idea. Look, guys, that looked like a nut. So if I can get this plastic off and just grab this with a pair of vice grips, then I can fight with each other, right? The hex as well as this nut. Yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that looked like, what y'all think? 9/16, 15 millimeter maybe? Yeah, we can grab that. Oh no, I can just set it in the vise. We don't even have to grab a wrench. Yeah, JT always come up with the good plans. Now, good damn well that plastic impeller wasn't gonna hold up. Let's see, right there. What y'all think? I think I got the. Y'all think I'm on to something? We locked and loaded, guys. Here goes nothing. Come on, baby. What way is it going? It's reverse threads, right? So turning this clockwise is on. Turning this is off. So I want to go clockwise, right? All right, let's see. Oh no! Okay, it's just not tight. Damn it, you coming off of here. What I need to do? Let me tighten this up some more, guys. Alright, let's see what happens. Come on, baby. It's not turning, guys. What the hell going on? Damn. What happened? Alright, let's take it back off and see. Alright, I think what's happening is this inner shaft is spinning adjacent to the outer nut. Is these nuts? Yeah, so even if I put a wrench on there, it's not going to hold it because this centerpiece is going to spin. Guys, you know what I'm going to do? Let's put some fire to this baby, man. That's probably what I should have did on the car. I got one off like this a long time ago. And boy, y'all drill me in the comment section. I put a torch on here. Ooh, you guys are brutal, boy. But y'all know nothing phases me, right? So I'm going to put some fire on this just to heat it up and melt whatever. This coming off. Stay tuned. Right here. See what we got here? Yeah, baby. My patent. Got this from Lowe's. I don't know if I still got gas in here. Yeah. Oh yeah. So let's put a little heat to this freaking hex. I don't want to melt the plastic fan. What y'all think? Alright, that's nice and hot. Now we're going to repeat that step again. Whew. Hope I didn't burn the plastic part. We don't want to burn the plastic fan. Damn. Well, oh, that's it. Hey, guys, was we going the wrong way? Okay, whatever. I'm too upset to even worry about it at this point. Is that nut moving? Yes, guys. Little heat. Be surprised what a little heat would do. I got it. I got it. Da, 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 da. Go over there and tell my helper, show my helper what but I don't want him doing this, so I might keep this to myself. You sap sucker, ugly looking. Ooh, JT, shut your mouth. Don't cuss out the water pump. I'm over here cussing out the water pump. All that trouble. This car could have been done. Oh, got a tool. When you don't have a tool, like I say, improvise. All right, guys, I've wasted too much time on this video and this job. So let me finish this job. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna put the new water pump on and clean it up with the new water pump on. Look, guys, you see this? You notice what that is? Ladies and gentlemen, that is a bleeder screw. After you get the water pump on, you must, I repeat, you must try to get all the air pockets out of the system. That's the only way a cooling system will function as designed. You cannot have a lot of air pockets in it. All right, so I'm gonna loosen it. I'm gonna use my bleeder funnel, fill it up until it come out. Then go drive it. Yeah, I know my drill. Drive it with the heat on, so that coolant can circulate. That coolant can circulate. You know what happens when that happens? Our air pocket can't survive in that environment. Okay. Yes, so turn your heat on. Make sure your heater's hot. If your heater hot, remember we just put a new water pump on. So what are the chances that coolant circulating the way it's supposed to? Unless you got a restriction in the water in the radiator, of course. So, but yeah, good. Right there. I got a thermostat put on here too, so it's so visible right now with all this off. All right, guys, I'm gonna end this video. Okay, I don't think I should go over. I don't know. We'll see. But stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, real quick, let's talk. Yes, just put a water pump on here. Got my helper over here. Now, I did this on purpose, guys, to prove a point. Now, see this? Obviously, this belt is on wrong, right? So I told him to go finish putting it together. Make sure the belt is on correct. So, guess what? My plan didn't work because it's 5 o'clock and he went home. All right. Well, my goal was to simply see if he was going, a couple of things, see if he was going to think this is right. This is on, but it's just not, there's no tension behind it, so it's obviously on wrong. Again, I did this on purpose just to prove a point. Okay, now if you faced with this, guys, young mechanics, newbies, I highly suggest everybody have one of these. Yes, it's called a mobile phone. Take a picture, guys. If you don't see the belt routing on the vehicle anywhere, damn, they still do that? I ain't seen those images in a minute. Yeah, on some cars they ever have the belt routing on the frame. If you don't see that, guys, it's simple. Yes, take a picture. Now, if you don't have such luxury as a cell phone, you still have a beeper, it's not gonna work. Pager is not gonna work. All right, or you have a good memory, or you have access to a computer. Google 3.7 liter Dodge Dakota, and you will see that. But let's play devil's advocate. Okay, now first thing first, when you're putting on any belt, guys, you start with the crank. The crank is the driving force behind all the accessories. Without the crank, nothing matters. Okay, nothing matters. All right, stop playing, JT. So let's start with the crank and see where we end up, because you gotta have, that's on. Now if there was some tension behind that would be perfect, but there is not. Here's the tensioner right here. So we're gonna start with the crank. I know how this belt go, but I'm just trying to prove a point. So let me get on with it. All right, so in this case, we're gonna go from the crank to the power steering. Yes, guys, power steering pump. When the last time you seen one of those? Gonna go to the power steering pump, to the alternator. Am I right? Yeah, and then from there to the water pump. Yeah. Now you need tensioner to put that on. Okay, so that's how it technically. So if you're trying to figure out how to put a belt on a 3.7 liter Dodge engine, yeah. So I need my wrench to grab that and put it on. Y'all know the drill. All right.